In this video, you will learn about parameters that modify how the hot end moves during the printing process. You can find these parameters by clicking the settings icon found on the Travel tab and checking the parameters you want to see on the normal view. The combine mode parameter allows you to enable the printer to travel inside the printed part without retracting the filament. The no skin option limits the movement over the infill, and the all option allows it to travel anywhere, including over the shell. The main purpose of this mode is to save time during a print by skipping a large number of retraction instructions. The avoid parts when traveling parameter modifies the combine mode to allow movement only on parts where the printer has not printed yet on that layer. This is to avoid leaving filament on top of an already printed layer. The start layers at the same part parameter allows you to set an order when printing multiple small parts. This way, the last part printed has enough time to cool down while the printer starts printing the next layer. Giving the last layer enough time to cool down also benefits prints with overhangs. Z-hope is when the printer raises the hot end over the current layer to avoid leaving oozed material. This group of parameters allows you to configure when the printer does this action and set the distance raise from the current layer. Enabling Z-hope when retracted raises the hot end during every retraction. The default height is equal to the layer height. Enabling Z-hope after prime tower raises the hot end after printing the prime tower before moving to the part. This is to avoid leaving strands between the tower and the part. Enabling Z-hope at layer change raises the hot end when it finishes the current layer and has to move to the start of the next layer. The default height is equal to the layer height. Enabling Z-hope at extruder switch raises the hot end during the tool exchange operation. This is to avoid leaving strands between the part and the silicone cloth. The height is shared between both heads.